ANDRÉS, the writer. In 30 days, he's writing his novel. ANDRÉS, the writer. Follow along with him on YouTube.
Well, folks, it is day 18. And I wrote another 3,000 words. Not exactly my 4,000, but I came close, and today I'm not going to feel guilty about it. First, huge shout outs today. Big shout out to Alex for posting comments on almost every single video. Took me almost a half hour to respond. Second, incredibly big shout out to my dear friend Samson the Truest. Thank you to Samson for writing, composing, playing, and singing the intro to this video. And folks, it is day 18. That means I am 12 days away from my deadline, and that means I should be past halfway point in my book, which if I were sticking to my pretty calendar, I would be there. But folks, listen, the word of the day tonight is software development. Good artists borrow, great artists steal. So what are we stealing from tonight? Software development. There are two popular techniques for developing a piece of software. The first is the Waterfall Technique, and the second is the Agile Technique. Now, I know about as much about software development as I do about boating. The Waterfall Technique is basically you build the entire product, you try to build it to perfection, you get everything down to a T, and then you put it out there. Agile Technique. You break up your project into little chunks. You build an imperfect product, you put it out there, you are told what's wrong with it, you fix it, you put it out there again, you fix it again, you fix it again, you fix it again, until finally you have something good. Now, the reason the waterfall technique can lead to failure is perhaps you spend 8 years working on something only to discover that there isn't really a market for it. So, instead, you build it, you put it out there, you get feedback, you work on it again. You're receiving critique and you're receiving input this whole time so that by the end, you have a much better project, you have a much better product than you would have if you had just done it all in one shot. Anyway, folks, please like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching. I hope you come back tomorrow. And if you'd like to hear more from Samson the Truest, please check out his link below. Thanks, folks, and see you soon.